The University of Leeds is part of the Russell Group of universities. We are part of the Facilities Directorate and we belong to the Commercial and Campus Support Services. The Print and Copy Bureau is integral to the university. From a student perspective, it begins at the start of the journey on open day and ends on graduation. From a staff perspective, it could be anything to do with research and/or teaching materials. We were looking to reduce our costs. We obviously wanted to maintain and higher our quality, and then we were looking for more effectiveness. But we were also looking for a partner who had the experience within the print industry and the changes and challenges that are facing us all. The University of Leeds has a stringent procurement policy. Right from the start of issuing the tender, Ricoh wanted to form a partnership. They wanted to fully understand what we wanted from the tender exercise. Took the time to listen. They then decided to invite us to their customer experience centre down in Telford so that we could trial and test on the kit that we might be actually putting in. They really wanted to form a partnership with the university. From my perspective, that was very important. We weren't offered that service from any other supplier who was in the tender exercise. Ricoh won the tendering process at the University of Leeds and provided us with 5 production machines, one that has a 5th colour and a booklet maker, and 2 multifunctional devices. The space utilisation people came in, produced some wonderful plans. We were able to reconfigure our print room. Health and safety were very happy because we became a more professional unit. Having bought the machine with the 5th colour on, our problem was how to market that in the university. Ricoh said, of course we can help. We held a workshop with experts from Ricoh who were able to talk to graphic design and marketing people about the benefits of the 5th colour. The result from that workshop was we were able to produce materials for the installation of a new Chancellor at the University of Leeds. We carried out a process review which looked at how we were taking an order to fulfilment to delivery. We identified lots of issues with our current software. I approached Ricoh to see whether or not they would be able to help us. They then sent some experts in to identify what we were currently doing and make recommendations about how they felt we could improve it. We have now purchased from Ricoh a new management information system and a new web-to-print system. The benefits that we've received so far have been seen through our monthly management accounts. We've seen a significant cost saving. We're now on a transformational journey in the university. The first starting point will be the students, to get them to use the web-to-print system so that they won't have to traditionally queue up and wait 10-15 minutes. We are looking at some smart lockers to be deployed across the university so again students can collect work when traditionally we are closed.
So as a student, I think one of the key benefits of this new service of being able to print and collect is that you're able to focus on your studies if you're busy with other commitments like lectures or an assignment, that you don't have to worry about wasting any time, that you can simply come down and collect whatever printing that you need done.
There's also a big piece of work then needs to be undertaken with the staff side because they need to change the way they work, i.e. instead of walking to the Print and Copy Bureau, they use the online system. That will bring us in the Print and Copy Bureau more revenue into the university.